And hey guys, welcome to this new unboxing. As you may have seen on the title of this video, and of course you clicked on it, we are today unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S22. Before opening it, let's look at the box, and let me bring the box of my phone, the S20 Foundation, so you can see the big difference, height difference. If we look at them from the side, you can see the S22 is a lot thinner. It is less than half of it, I would say. Yes, it is indeed. And also the quality of the box you see here, it is very different. So let's look at the big knife and start cutting here the plastic, of course without breaking the so precious box. And there we have it. On the box itself we have a little bit of information, but nothing important. And ooh, that is nice. So here we don't have anything on the top, and here is the phone itself. Let me bump this up a little bit so you can see better. And then we have here, down here, this lip to take it out. And to look at that, people. We have the flash on there, and here the 3 camera module. And there is the beauty. Leaving this aside, where do we grab this now? Samsung. I guess we just do this move here. Here inside we have, of course, the pick for the SIM card tray. And let's see what is inside here. How do we open this Samsung again? Oh god, there it is. Inside of here we have some instructions and a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is all. We don't have anything else here in the box. That is it. That is a thin box. Not too much to unbox, but hey, it's a great phone. So let's just leave these things aside and look at this woolly phone here. So it is very much squared. It is not so rounded as all the phones. And we have all the buttons on the right hand side here. The feel is super nice. Let's peel this off and let me here. Whoa, that sounds amazing. We have this, I think it's plastic here or glass, I'm not sure. Here we have Samsung written on there and some, what is this? Like email information, all that stuff, but yeah. And here in the front, ooh, that is a sound. And let's have this turned on. Does it have any battery in it? Yes, it has. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Let me take this off here. And look at this, people. This just is amazing. I mean, look at it. It is a beautiful phone, please. And there we have it on Spanish, of course, because we are in Chile. And there we have it. Here on the top we have one microphone only. On the side only these 2 buttons. On the bottom we have the loudspeaker here, USB-C, one microphone, SIM tray. And on this side we have nothing but antennas, because as you may have noticed on the box here, this is one Chilean sticker, this has 5G. So yeah, a lot of antennas here, on the top I think there is one, here are no antennas, and on the bottom there's 2 more, or like these plastic ribbons here, those are for the antennas. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing of the so loved Samsung S22. And this is not for me, this is for my dad, so yeah, I hope it was for me. But I will tell you in a couple of weeks, maybe in a podcast, how this has been of an experience. And just, yeah, he will enjoy the phone. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next unboxing or podcast, or see you on the next video. Maybe you want to see a video from the past, so just go on the channel, watch a video, leave a like, leave a comment, please tell us what you want to see on the next unboxing or video or podcast, whatever, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.